Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we're about to get into the woods and start the first hunting trip of the 2019-2020 season. Hope y'all enjoy. Rather than mess around and try to get to that field, I want to go over to another field on the other side of this little pond, this little slough right here, and that way I don't disturb the deer over here, and maybe they'll walk across eventually. But if they don't, this field's also been very productive in the past, so I still have plenty of opportunities. But there's no need to go running those deer off in there already.
Something was splashing all around the water and it scared that spike off. We should have some turkeys coming on this back side. Pretty good group of them, probably about 4 or 5, but that's what spooked that little spike off.
Before I leave, I want to go back here, take a camera out that I put in about 4 months ago, and we're going to see what we have on it. Just haven't had the time to come back up here, check it out. Awesome. Still got an SD card and it's still alive. Should have plenty of pictures over the last few months. You can tell it's hogs that have been feeding on this trap. All that mud is just where hogs have been scraping up against the side of it, just trying to scratch your back or whatever. Deer won't do that. That's definitely got to be a lot of hogs back here that are going to be doing that. Yesterday was an excellent day. We saw plenty of turkey, deer, just a really nice afternoon. Unfortunately, I had to cut it just a few minutes short. I had to run to town, get a paper done that was due for that night. Life of a college student. But we're about to go put some corn out in the lower end, and then this afternoon try a few other spots, and I'm going to see if I can get myself a doe early in the season.
Don't drive off, stay right here. We're not driving off.
Everything you see right here, this is all rooting done by all the hogs down this area. So I put a camera out on that tree, and we put some corn out down here. We're just gonna hope that there's some nice deer down here as well. Definitely a lot of hogs. I'm really looking forward to hunting this area this year. Haven't done it in years, and I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. So we're gonna let this corn sit for a few days, and I'll come back down once everything gets settled, and we'll give it a shot.
What if it went on the other? What if it got stuck in the ditch?
We'd be in a bigger mess of trouble than what we are in now.
Yeah.
Hey, watch your feet. No, I got it. Just got done down the swamp. We got the trailer and the ATV and all that back in order. Got the corn out. So I'm going to grab something to eat, grab my gun, and then we're going to head back down and see if we can find something this afternoon.
Yesterday was a complete bust of how warm it was. Today's also a bust of how much rain we're getting. So we're just going to call it an end to the trip. I'm going to go home for Thanksgiving, but there's plenty of more hunting to come. Now, I do hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.